celebrating Good Governance Day on the occasion of 97th birth anniversary of our late Prime Minister of India, Bharat Ratna, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is such a leader, I think nobody can be compared with him. From 1996 till 2004, he ruled the country as the Prime Minister of India. The great orator, a poet, and person who has fought for the rights of the common man. He is always fighting for the downtrodden people of the society and the country. I have the good fortune of working under him, and he was the national president. Even when he was in Jansang, he nominated me as the president of Odisha. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's greatest contribution is the various types of development which has never been thought of by any other Prime Minister or leader of this country. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana for connecting the villages with good roads, with good communication, so that the people can easily move and their trade and commerce will develop, and there will be development in all spheres. And he had also the Swarna Chaturbuj Yojana for connecting the 4 big cities of the country to show that the country is one with 6-laner and 8-laner roads. And for common people, for women, for downtrodden people, and like Annapurna Yojana for the persons who have been left by their children after 60 years, who are nobody. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was there, and they had been provided a free 10 kilo of greens to them. The greatest contribution is the atomic test at Pokhran in Rajasthan. At that time, people were ridiculing that India is a great democracy, no doubt, but it is a weak country. And at Pokhran, in spite of all the threat of the so-called big powers of the world, he had 2 atomic tests on 11th May of 1998. All the big powers of the world pounced upon him. They said, the Prime Minister of India, you cannot have any atomic test. We will not allow to do it. Atal Bihari Vajpayee did not reply, did not say anything. Everybody was surprised. They thought perhaps Atal Bihari Vajpayee was threatened and will not take anything. But 2 days thereafter, there are 3 atomic tests in Pokhran, and after that test, proudly said that India has now become an atomic power. I don't bother for the threat of these big powers. I have have done this for the interest of my country. And I also declare that we have absolutely no intention of attacking any country of the world, but no country will venture to attack India. In that case, we are also prepared because we are an atomic power. There is economic sanction. All the countries of the world stopped their aid to India under the pressure of these big powers of the so-called big powers of the world. Atal Bihari Vajpayee said, in spite of all this economic sanction, I don't bother standing on my own land. I ask my countrymen to stand on their own legs. We will fight against poverty. We will fight against all sorts of discrimination. And country will be developed even without the help of the other countries. And at that time, I am still remembering the NRI of America. They said, Vajpayee ji, the great honor you have given to the country, the great honor you have given to the Indians all over the world is something unique. We bow down before you. And before this atomic test, when we Indians are talking amongst ourselves, Americans are passing by us saying that, oh, they are Indians. But after this atomic test, they are giving us due honor, and they say they are talking India is an atomic power. Not only the biggest democracy of the world, it is also an atomic power which can give any sort of reply to any country in the world. That is the honor you have given. Therefore, we are coming forward to give all possible aid as according to our capacity. And immediately that perhaps given $2 billion to India. And due to firmness of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, these big countries ultimately bowed down, and he was first invited by the President of America. And the President announced that henceforward no major decision can be taken without India, without such a great leader like Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That is the honor we got. Apart from that, there are many poverty-oriented schemes in India, like the Antyodaya Yojana and others, and which are now being followed. And such a big leader, such a great orator, was keeping lakhs of people spellbound, either in Hindi or in English, whatever it may be. I have never seen such a leader. I pay my great tribute to him, and the country can never forget such a leader, not only the country, not the entire world. Jai Hind.